Hello everybody, this is a 10,000 subscriber sort of update video. So this is, because this is a big thing, I'm going to be going over two things. Both of them I hope both of you, or all of you guys, will be excited about. So first thing, let me spawn two portals with the portal gun. Do you notice anything peculiar? Ah, don't duck in there. There's no black. Basically the black is gone. There's no more black. So someone named, I'm gonna say this wrong, Faffy2801, made a pull request to the GitHub, and he fixed the skybox by basically putting a big box around the sky with the skybox texture. If anyone else had the same idea, props to you, because I did not. And there is no longer going to be any black around the skybox. It'll be less annoying. Only thing is there will be no 3D skybox like that. There won't be that because it's simply too expensive. May add it as an option later, I'm not sure, but as of now, it's definitely better than the black sky that it was before. Alright, time to go over on the big project I have been working on. No clip over here, and you can already sort of see it. Fully custom terrain. I plan to make this map wide and have it work on flat grass. So basically, what I'm trying to do is have fully editable 3D terrain inside of Gary's mod. You'll be able to create your own mathematical functions, or just edit the Perlin. This is Perlin noise, by the way. Basically, it's random noise. You'll be able to edit. You'll be able to edit maybe how tall these hills are, or how many hills there are, or how far apart the hills are and stuff. And you'll be able, I'm hoping to get it in real time. It may not be real time, so don't get your hopes up yet. But what I hope to do is have this working really well and have full terrain in Gary's mode. It's not very good with the portal. It doesn't work very well with the portal gun. There we go. And I want to host this on basically, so there's two reasons why I want to make this. One is for PvP reasons. I see so many servers that are like, oh, PvP is starting to get boring. Let's just add a couple of guns and that'll be it. With this, it'll be completely random, procedural, and the map will be different every time, and you'll have to devise your own strategies to killing or defeating your opponent. This is nice just because it's also nice because you maybe you want this terrain as an ACF tester for your car, so I can spawn a car here and I can drive on it without much issue, go over these hills and stuff. You could also have it just for general, it looks cool. As of now, it's pretty unoptimized. I'm also doing it, this is the prototype, so it's done in Starfall here. So it's not perfect, and it certainly won't look like this. It'll definitely look different. But yeah, that's pretty nice. So with this terrain, I would like to have it hosted on a server with GM Flatgrass, so you could have your own terrain and stuff with that. You could, and then you would have half the map dedicated to building your own stuff, and you would have half the map with this cool terrain that you can edit or whatever. This is a huge project, by the way. I have to learn some stuff about data management. Probably stuff called like BSPs and whatever. It's going to be a little bit of a pain, but having this kind of terrain will be pretty awesome just in general. Again, this is the prototype. It definitely won't look like this, like at all. So if you're not happy with the current like design of it right now, don't be surprised. It's like very early. As of now, that's pretty much all I have to go over. Again, you'll also be able to make your own mathematical functions, which allow you to create like your own terrain if you wanted. So again, you can make like skyscrapers and stuff with this. You can make what I made here was like a wave pattern. You could use sine or stuff, any of you math geeks or whatever. Basically just a 3D graph. You could do whatever with it. And just in general, pretty cool to play around with. Even just this is pretty fun. Oh, you won't be able to move these, by the way. They're simply just too unstable. The only reason I can move them now is because it's not using my own prop code, and it's slow and not perfect. But yeah. I wanted to do this after I release my portals. This will be like the next big thing that I'll be working on, and it will be hosted on my server, which is hosted by a guy named Marshall. He's pretty cool. He's letting me like host use his server hosting site to host a server for myself, and you guys will be able to join it and probably play. You can play around right now. You can play around with the portal gun, and in general, I think there's the water add-on on there, and eventually this terrain. And the good thing about this terrain is, again, it'll be on flatgrass, and you might be like, wow, why flatgrass? Because everyone has flatgrass. So there's no need to like switch the map or whatever. It's always on flatgrass. You have no issue. That's about it for now. Thanks everyone for subscribing. If you have, I really appreciate it. It's really awesome to have 10,000. Pretty big number. Thank you everyone, and I hope to see you guys in a different video.